anvil is. Obviously, what we were just seeing there is not finished.
Final up, ring the final upgrade. So basically, block out white box is obviously self-explanatory. Interestingly, grey box ready. I'm thinking more like this.
She's a monster. Check this out, guys. I went and looked at it. Oh, remember I planted those herbs before the hurricane rolled through here. Oh my God! Check this out. All right, so we got our cilantro, and let's see. I didn't really see. It looks like it's trying to, like, right over there someplace. Like it's trying to come up. You can still see a lot of the seed pods, but we move over to the chives. You see those little guys down there? Can you see them? Oh, I gotta get the camera right. Where's my finger? Where's my? There, oh, there's my finger. Oh, come on, focus. Focus. You see those? Yeah, they're all over the place in there. The chives, they're gonna grow. Whew. Let's time. Oh my God! Look at all these green little thingies. I'm gonna have so much time before the first snow. We're gonna have so much time. It's not even funny. We come over here to the sage, and I only see one sprout in the sage. There's a weird, like, white one, like right in there. Where's my finger? There's center of the screen. See that white thing? That's the one thing. But it's confusing because I also see over here. There's like this one sprout in there. Can you see that lone sprout? There it is. So, and I don't even know what sage looks like when it's a baby. So, all right, moving on down. Mint. How much mint are we going to have? There's one little thingy, my bobber. You see that one? Oh, there you go. Put it in the center of the camera. There you go. Oh, we got some mint. Those little green things, those are mint. And moving over here to lavender, who's supposed to like the cold, but I see nothing growing in the lavender. Nothing at all growing in the lavender. So we may not have any lavender anymore. All right, guys, I think that's going to cover it for today. A little special video, since I kind of feel bad because I didn't get to... what have you been into, dog? She's in trouble. She doesn't know why. I don't either. She's not in trouble. But, yeah, I felt a little bad because I had a little family issue come up yesterday. Everything is fine. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of extra content on the weekend, let you know I'm alive and everything is copacetic. Things are going great, as you can see by the sprouts video that I posted this morning. I'm working on a TikTok version of it as well right now. I'll have that up here shortly if you're in the TikTok realm. All right, guys. As usual, you know the deal. Stay safe and have a great day. Meow. No? There you go. Later, guys.